Hello dreamers, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another episode of Losing Weight. If you haven't watched the previous ones, please click on the cards and check them out before you watch this video. Today I am going to share with you my yoga routine which I do for every day of the week without any exception. And even if I miss it for a day or two, I don't sweat much over it. Anyway, before we get started, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, please comment, like and share this video because sharing is caring. So without further ado, let's get started. I am in no way an expert of all these asanas, nor am I eligible to guide you all through this. What I am showing here is just my yoga routine that I have been following for a long time and I feel that it have been helpful for me. So if you want any guidelines or any follow along guide, you can contact any professional yoga teacher and they can help you with that. If you want to see my yoga routine and things that have helped me in my weight loss journey, please stay tuned till the end. I will start my yogasana by doing the Surya Pranam or Surya Namaskar, and it is a great way to warm up your body and just provide you more flexibility. So I will do it for both the legs, and yeah, I am showing you for one leg here. Next, we will move on to the sequence where we do the asanas lying down on our back. And first, we are doing the Ardha Halasana on both legs. Next, we will move on to Ardha Pavan Muktasan, and we will also do it on both legs. The next one on the sequence is Utthita Padasana, and we will do it on the 15-degree height and then 45-degree height and then 90-degree height. The next one is Kati Bakrasana, and I will do it on both sides. Next, I will move on to Naukasana. Yeah, I am not perfect yet, but your aim is to hold your body as high as you can. The next one is Setu Bandhasana, or what we call popularly as bridge. After the bridge is completed and your body is warmed up enough, you can move on to Chakrasana. After Chakrasana, we will move on to Sarvangasana, and from Sarvangasana, we will go down to our Purna Halasana or Halasana pose. The next sequence is lying down on abdomen, and we will start by doing the Makarasana, and it is a resting pose. After Makarasana is done, I will move on to Ardha Salvasana on both legs. After Ardha Salvasana, I will move on to Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. After my spine is warmed up enough by doing the Bhujangasana, I will move on to do the Dhanurasana. Next, we are going to do the standing up poses, and we will start with Tarasana. Then we will go to Hasta Uttanasana. After that, we will do the Padahastasana. Then move to the Khara Chakrasana. After that, we will do the stability pose for Vrikshasana. From Vrikshasana, we will go to the Pashasana. From Pashasana, we will move on to Kurshiyasana or the chair pose. After this, we will do a flow. So the flow will start with Birvadrasana 2. From there, we will go to Viparit Birvadrasana. After that, we will do the Namaskar Parvakanasana. And we will end the flow with Birvadrasana 1. We will end the flow with Natarajasana. The next sequence is sitting down poses. We will start with Parvatasana, and then we will move on to Balasana, which will give us much relief to the spines. After that, we will do the Matsyasana. After Matsyasana, we will do Ustrasana. After that, we will move on to Vyagrasana on both legs. After that, we will do the Yogi Mudra or Yog Mudra. After Yogi Mudra is done, we will do 2 sequences of Adho Mukha Shavasana or downward facing dog. From there, we will fold our body to Ardha Kapatasana. Next, we will do the cat cow poses to relieve our spine. After that, we will do the Bakrasana on both legs or on both sides. Next, we will do some sequence for our shoulder and neck, and we will start with Tarasana or a modified version of the Tarasana, and from there we will move to Brahma Mudra. We will do the Brahma Mudra twice. Then we will roll up our shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise like this. After that, we will stretch our arms behind as much as we can. Then we will put our arms behind our shoulder, like on top of our neck, and then press it behind. The next sequence is pranayam, where I will start with Kapalbhati and move on to the basic pranayam. The basic pranayam is where I inhale through one nose and exhale through other, and vice versa. After that, I will move on to the Bhramari. I will just close my ears like this and eyes like this, and I will do a humming voice in my throat like That's it today, folks. That was a very tiring video. I really hope that it will be helpful on your weight loss journey. I would love to hear about that. You can comment on the comment box below, or you can let me know in any of my social media handles where I am super active, and I would love to chat with you all. Let's meet in another week. So until then, keep dreaming. Bye.
Hello, nice to